Good afternoon, everyone. I am Dr. Shweta from New Delhi only, and I found this course while I was just scrolling through the internet. Then initially I was hesitant that I don't know how much I learned about the hysteroscopy, or I was a little bit confused. But when I came here and I went through the course, and then Dr. Chauhan sir, ma'am, Dr. Alka Jain, and all the doctors, they explained everything in detail, right from the theory to practical. And actually, I got a lot to learn from here, and hands-on training also was given. And now I found myself confident that I can do hysteroscopy myself, and that I was scared also that how to do hysteroscopy, and it is a big thing. But ma'am made it very simple. So now I'm confident that I can start with hysteroscopy. So I'm really thankful to ma'am, sir, and all team of SMASTI. Yeah, thanks.